You can never get sick, but you are always exhausted. You gain $1 million a month, but the revenue is gained by enslaved children working 24/7. You become the sexiest person alive, but the ugliest person alive is the first person that pops up when you click share and more. Control the weather, but you have an infinite storm cloud on your head. Your bank account immediately receives $50 million, but you have to follow this account. You get to explore the universe and visit other inhabited planets, but you will never return to Earth.